Hello and welcome. Today you're going to learn how to make a quick and healthy spaghetti dinner that is macronutrient friendly. It is one pot, so it's super simple and most importantly, kid approved, crowd pleasing. See these happy smiles right here? Let's dive right in. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Before we get started, the entire recipe is below this video in the description. Here's a picture though. It's kind of fun to see what you're going to be using. And also that protein pasta is amazing. I'm going to even show you a substitute later that will lower the carbs even further. So let's get started. You're going to go ahead and get your water boiling right there. While it's boiling, go ahead and chop up those meatballs. What's cool about meatballs, they're time saving, money saving, and they already taste awesome because they're seasoned. You can cut them up like this, of course, with a knife, or if you have a food processor, I wanted to show you this is an awesome time saving tool. Simple slicing blade right here. You're just going to pour the meatballs in, turn it on and go. And it's a really fun and easy way to actually incorporate the kiddos, because here we go. Gabriel and Michael, they are 9 and 7. At the time of this video, it's a wonderful opportunity to teach them healthy habits, safe kitchen skills, so they grow up learning how to cook healthy for themselves, and that healthy can be fun, right? Really includes them and teaches them as well. So here's what it looks like with all those meatballs mixed up. Easy peasy, took like 10 seconds to do that. Now here, of course, is your pasta. The protein pasta already is going to be a more macronutrient friendly option. Cook it for about 10 minutes, get it nice and soft. Rinse it out in your typical strainer, and here is an option for you as a substitute. It's going to lower the carbs even further. You can see it's 5 carbs for the whole bag. I would use 2 bags for this recipe. Now here you're going to see all the colors, hidden veggies, so much happening right there with the seasoning, and then when you mix it up, it looks totally normal, right? And it's so delicious, and because there's so much in there in the pot, I do find that it's easier for people to eat it if you do this. Cut it up with the scissors. Then you can mix in your meatballs there, and all together it is delicious. You are welcome to let it simmer a few minutes, but you don't really have to. The flavors blend pretty easily. And then you have happy, healthy kiddos, look here, who are ready to eat their dinner without complaining. Totally helps with picky eaters. And the most important thing is that our family is being happy and healthy together. So I hope that helps you do that too. Thank you so much for joining me, and grab the recipe below this video. Bye.